When people define something as beautiful, it makes other things seem less than beautiful. When people define what is good, then it can appear that the opposite is not good. What is present and what is not present create each other. For example, difficult and easy define each other. Long and short also define each other, just as high and low are defined by comparison. Before and after follow each other. Notice how wise ones act without strategy or judgment, and teach without forcing opinions. They understand that in another situation, they might follow rather than lead. As things arise, they simply notice what has appeared, and as things disappear, they let them go. It might seem as though they have, but they do not possess, and they act without expectations. When their work is complete, they let it go. Seeking no credit, they cannot be discredited. Seeking no reward, they are often held in high esteem, and their contribution is remembered.